Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we are drawing an airplane. The first airplane was made over 100 years ago. It was smaller than most cars today. Did you know airplanes have wings just like birds? Some planes can fly faster than a race car, up to 600 miles per hour. A big airplane can carry over 800 people. That's like a whole school on one plane. Sometimes fly above the clouds. Next time you see clouds, just imagine an airplane zooming way up above them like a superhero. Thanks for drawing with me today. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.